What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Social Cut. I'm Steve. Thanks for watching. And recently I've been taking topics from guys on Instagram. I've been asking you guys, hey man, let me know what you guys want me to talk about, any ideas. And so far it's been pretty good, man. It's been working out. I appreciate you guys sending me your topics. So I'm gonna do my best to get to all of them. But the one I'm picking today is how to wear a hat for beginners. Yep, that's right. That's actually a pretty common question I get. Hats, how do you wear a hat? And most guys are afraid to wear hats out of not your usual hat, outside of like baseball caps, dad hats, that kind of stuff. Guys are scared of wearing these type of hats, fedoras, you know, that kind of deal. So don't worry, I'm gonna go over some tips on how to rock these type of hats and how to pair them up with some cool outfits. All right, first let's go over some quick tips. I'm really against all the rules of when people talk about, oh, do I have the right face shape? If my face is oval, what kind of hat do I need to wear? If it's more triangle, you know, I try to stick more to the obvious type of things. If your face is, you know, pretty big, round, you got big cheeks, I would say stay away from, let me show you a hat here, like one of these fedoras, because it's smaller, so it's gonna make your face look bigger. And if your face is a lot smaller, then I would say maybe not something so big like this type of hat here, because you know, it's just gonna make your face look a lot smaller. But other than that, you know, oval, round, square, whatever type of face shape you have, just the key, man, is just feel comfortable with it. Make sure it looks good on you. You gotta feel it, and confidence, man. As long as you rocking it right, you feeling it, you're gonna be able to tell you're gonna look good in it. All right. The next tip is know the material of the hat. So here we go. So let me show you. I love these type of fedora hats here. You see this hat here. So I love breaking this out during the winter, fall time, because it's wool. It's a wool hat, and not only does it look cool when you wear it, but it also serves a purpose. It's supposed to keep you warm. That's why it's also wool. So I would definitely use this just during the winter, the fall. You're gonna look pretty silly if you're rocking this in the summer, because it's super hot in the summer, of course, especially out here in LA. So I wouldn't want to wear this because then my head's gonna be all hot and sweaty. So don't wear this during the summer. So now I actually have a similar hat to it. See this here. So this is what I love to wear during the summer. So it's pretty similar style. You see that's another fedora hat. And if you take a look at here, it's a straw hat. So obviously straw is a cool material. You'll find me wearing this pretty much all summer long during the warmer season. And like I said, it's for a purpose. It's supposed to keep you cool, also help you from the sun, that kind of deal. But hey man, it looks cool when you're rocking it casual style. So really important, know the material of the hat you're wearing, so that when you're making a purchase, make sure you know you're buying it at the right time. You're buying wool, you want to wear it during the winter, fall season, and of course straw, you want to use it in the summer, the warmer seasons. So now let's start with beginner stuff here, guys. Regular baseball caps, dad hats. I think these are definitely a hot item. They've been around for a long time. People love wearing these type of hats. These are really easy to wear. If you can see here, I have a lot more than these two. So I got here my Rams dad hat. That's right, Rams taking it this year, 2018 Super Bowl champions. All right. So, and of course, the one and only Social Cut hat. You guys can get it in stores. Anyways, so easy to wear, fellas. So for something like this, it's super casual. You're wearing jeans, you're wearing sweats, a hoodie, you just throw on a baseball cap. You can pretty much wear it with anything. I would just, if you're a beginner, I wouldn't wear it with something dressy, like a suit or anything like that. But like I said, you can wear, if you're like me, man, I love to push limits with fashion. So you'll catch me wearing a dad hat, wear suits. But for beginners, keep it super easy, super casual. Just wear it with jeans, t-shirt, sweats, you know, lazy day, perfect for a bad hair day. All right, guys, and now on to the famous fedora hat. That's right. These have been have gone through a lot of fashion trends, but it's a classic statement if you guys do it right. I think this is definitely a staple piece to have in your hat collection. You can wear it from a suit to something super casual. I like to wear this kind of stuff with, let me show you some pics here. I wear it with a suit, I wear it with jeans, I wear it with casual day. But pretty easy to wear. Again, I would like to think of this a little dressier than your baseball cap kind of deal. Just it gives your fashion, what you're wearing, a little bit more of some more fashion points that you got going on. So for something like this, like when I was talking about the baseball cap, you wear that with sneakers, sweats, that kind of deal. So think about wearing the fedora a little bit more of still casual, but not so casual. I mean, I don't know what I say. Some not so casual. So instead of wearing sneakers, when you wear like jeans with boots, some Chelsea boots, you can still wear the jean jacket, just a t-shirt. Instead of wearing that baseball cap, you want to make sure you pair it up with a fedora because it just goes a little bit better. It's something that's not so super casual, but still keeping it casual. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's why I love this fedora hat. And so that's why I actually have a few of them. Do I have one over here? Yeah, I always keep a couple of them, and you know, and don't be scared of actually even having multiple ones of the same color, because what I like to do is I keep, if I'm going to wear a suit and I want to wear a fedora with it, I make sure I keep one that I only use just for suits, because that way it looks new, it looks pretty good all the time when I'm wearing a suit. If you want to wear one with something more casual, boots, that rugged look, then I have another one where it's meant to look more beat up, more rugged. It goes with the look. So tip for you guys, make sure it matches the style you're going with. All right, and here's another one I have here, brown. I have a ton of these. I don't want to break out all of them, but that's all of them here. And of course, I showed you this earlier. Have it here for the summer. I got the straw one. Same style, you can wear it with the suit, and of course that's a whole nother topic. If you want to wear a suit, make sure you're wearing like a linen suit in the summer. Will go perfect with this straw hat. We'll still wear it with jeans, t-shirt, you know, something cool, some just relax. All right guys, so now let me show you, we're gonna talk about the Panama hat. So think of the Panama hat as the summer version of the fedora. I showed you the one I had here earlier. Here's another one that I have here. So again, these are meant for the summertime, warmer weather, straw. See this one here? I love this one because it's more of a stiff brim. See that there? So nice, gives it a purpose, give you some shape, but make sure it looks in good condition. And these are, you gotta be careful with these because when you buy a straw hat, they're a little easier to, I guess, bend, break. So you wanna be careful with these type of hats. So make sure you buy, well, where I get all my hats, most of my hats I get them from Gorham Brothers. So if you guys are going there, make sure to spend the extra money and buy the box where you can maintain the hat so they don't get all bent and, you know, they break, get out of shape, that kind of deal. But that's what the Panama hat is. I love wearing these, again, casual, cool, linen suit. You can wear with shorts, you know, some nice cool loafers, no-show socks, that kind of deal. But pretty easy to wear. And these, like I said, this is a white stiff brim hat. So what I like to do is, if you got the right face shape, which is, well, actually these you can wear it if you have a big face, small face. Just make sure it's not too big if you have a small face. This is something you definitely want to be conscious about when you're dealing with a stiff brim hat. If your face is too small, don't get one of these. I would rather go with one of these smaller ones, see, like a fedora style for a small face. If you have a bigger face, this would actually help not make your face so big. See kind of where we're going with this? You guys get the idea? And on to the next cap, guys. Check it out. Here we go. The popular, known as the, actually has several names. The flat cap, derby cap, newspaper boy cap. It has a couple different names. But here you go, man. Check it out. So another casual, smart casual style look cap that you can wear. I love these here because instead of wearing your baseball cap, you can upgrade your casual look with one of these hats. So I would wear this more kind of like when I was talking about the fedora, or something casual, boots, even some Converse, some sneakers, something casual like that. You can wear this here. I love wearing this, pairing this up with, it gives you more of that vintage look. So if you're wearing like a trucker jacket, you know, with the Sherpa linen style jacket, this will look super cool with it. Some red wheat boots, that kind of stuff. So I wear it with Chelsea boots, that kind of stuff here. This hat here. So this is a tweed one. Definitely want to use this during the warmer seasons. And here I actually bought one, more of an all-purpose. I can wear this all year. So it's actually leather. I can wear it in the rain. I can wear it, you know, when it's warmer season. But you know, I like to wear these. These are my go-to. I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but definitely the colors. Let's talk about colors real quick. I like to keep a lot of my hats neutral. So especially for beginners, I would say stick to either brown, gray, black, because that's super easy to pair up with just about any outfit. I definitely have more colorful hats, but since we're talking about for beginner stuff, you want to stick to something like this, these type of more neutral colors, because usually you don't want to worry about your hat clashing with your outfit. So again, beginners, stick to brown, khaki, black, gray, those type of neutral colors, because they're super easy to wear. You don't have to worry about matching the colors. It goes with just about any outfit that you're going to be wearing, so stick to those. We're in winter, guys, so it wouldn't be winter if you didn't have your beanie. That's right, beanie, guys. I'm sure everyone has one of these. no one's pretty. I mean, no one should be scared of wearing a beanie. You can wear these so many different styles. I think every guy should own a beanie. But there is a style to wear it, depending on how you want to wear it, what style you're going for. So here I have this one. I actually talked about the type of colors. I don't think I have. I think I have a black. Yeah, I do have a black beanie. So that's more my neutral one. That one's pretty much my go-to for just about any outfit. But if you do want to make a statement, I have here my orange beanie. I've had this one forever. It's super comfortable, easy to wear, guys. I go back to the dad hat because those are super easy hats to wear with just about any outfit. So again, I would wear this with something super casual, sweats, jeans. I'd be wearing a crew neck sweater, a hoodie, just about anything. I mean, I'm sure you guys have probably worn one of these. You can actually even wear the suit, but going back to the tip I give you guys, have a couple of these different type of beanies. I would, this one I had for a long time, so this one wouldn't really wear with the suit because it's kind of worn in already. So if you do want to wear one with the suit, make sure it's a nice one, a new one, well maintained, that way you only wear it with the suit. And if you're wearing one with the suit, I wouldn't wear one, wear a plain one. I wouldn't wear one that has some type of writing or logo or stitching on it. You know, you want to keep it clean, classic. That's what the suit is for. So you want to stick with something more clean and classic if you're wearing a beanie with the suit. But other than that, man, pretty easy. You know, just wear it with anything. Stay warm for the winter. And my last hat I want to talk to you guys about is, check it out, the bucket hat. Bucket hats have been around for a very long time. They go and come in trends, but you gotta buy a bucket hat that's gonna stick with you through every single trend. And I've had bucket hats for every single trend that's gone through. You gotta stick with them. Make sure you rock it. Well, let me tell you a little bit more about the bucket hat. All right, so it's something super casual, man. You definitely have to have some confidence to wear it. But again, with the colors, stick to something neutral. This one here is blue. I love wearing the blue one because, again, pretty easy to go with any type of outfit. But the tip for you with the bucket hats, they do come in different sizes, different styles, wider, smaller. So this is more of a smaller kind of fitted bucket hat. So for my face, I don't have a super large face, so it would look good. So they are more of the wider ones, more floppier type of bucket hats. If you have a bigger face, definitely go with the bigger one, floppier hats. But this is more of a smart casual. Definitely could wear in the summer, shorts, that kind of deal, heading over to the pool. Bucket hat would be perfect. And this one, I actually like this one. I think I got this one from H&M. Check it out, man. Reversible, can wear it in or out, inside out. I like this little style right here. But yeah, man, you can even wear the suit for if you're more advanced, you know, want to kind of step up your fashion game. But pretty easy, man. If you're I like to wear this with kind of a polo shirt, button-up shirt, that kind of deal. Something more casual. We'll stay away for beginners. Not wearing with this not wear this with the suit. Stick to something more casual. Again, I keep going to the dad cap because it's pretty easy to wear. So just think of it as another version of the dad cap. So don't be afraid, guys. Try the bucket hat. Hey, happy guys, what do you guys think? Those are just some of my hats from my collection. I actually have a ton more, but I didn't want to overwhelm you guys. I just kind of wanted to go over some of the basic type of hats. Pretty common. You guys can get these anywhere. I love getting my hats from Gorham Brothers. Most of these hats are from Gorham Brothers. I love also even getting from Target. Where have I gotten my hats from? Gorham Brothers. Gosh, I think most of them are from Gorham Brothers. H&M has seasonal hats too. They're pretty cool to get there. Nordstrom. Yes, Nordstrom. You can get your hats from Nordstrom. Actually, no, Nordstrom is pretty cool because they actually they carry Gorham Brothers. They carry a lot of different brands. I don't know why I'm going back. I can't think of the other brand I'm getting, but yeah, but definitely check out Nordstrom because that's actually a pretty good space to go because they have different type of brands there. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any specific questions about other hats, love to answer them. Let me know. Put them in the comment box. I'll make sure to answer those questions. But these were just kind of the basic ones to get you guys started, beginners. And the main thing, guys, is feel comfortable. Be confident, man, and especially if you're looking to step up your fashion game, this is definitely the way to go. It'll upgrade any outfit that you have. Even if something you're wearing already, you've worn out multiple times that outfit, that's just gonna give it a whole new look. You know, and don't be afraid. People are gonna look at you, and that's the whole point of wearing cool hats, man, because you want to get noticed. That's the whole point of stepping your fashion game. People are gonna look at you, and that's cool, man. You want to look good, you want to feel good, you want to look different. Hats are the way to go. So yeah, man, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Show some love, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, thumbs up, guys. And of course, you guys can check me out on social media. You guys can check me out at The Social Cut. And as always, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, fellas. All right, man. We'll see you next time.